How to make money on TikTok, 15 strategies to use in 2024. TikTok has remained a vastly popular social media platform since its inception, capitalizing on its early fame as people gravitated toward its light, short-form content. This surge in popularity means TikTok is ripe with revenue opportunities, something that your TikTok marketing strategy should make room for. In this article, we break down the top 15 strategies for how to make money on TikTok, updated to include changes to the Creator Fund announced in November 2023. 1. Join the TikTok Creativity Program, Creator Fund. Since 2020, TikTok has offered its most popular creators a program to monetize content. In November 2023, TikTok announced some changes to how this works, depending on where you are located in the world. TikTok says the new fund will enable creators in these countries to make more money for video uploads over a minute. To join, users must have at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Earnings will also be based on views and other TikTok engagement metrics. 2. Run TikTok ads. About 67% of 18-19-year-olds and 56% of 20-29-year-olds are on TikTok. This makes TikTok marketing a strong advertising choice for brands wanting to market their products to Gen Z. TikTok ads come with simple, powerful tools to help you advertise to millions of users. The most popular types of TikTok ads include in-feed video. Appear on the For You page of TikTok users who meet your targeting parameters. Brand takeover. This lets your ad expand to the width of the whole screen for a few seconds. Hashtag challenges. Create appealing challenges that encourage user-generated content. There are several more types of TikTok ads you can experiment with, but note that some are only available to certain types of accounts. 3. Collect tips or donations. TikTok has introduced a tipping feature that allows select creators to earn money from tips and donations. Fans can use this feature to show gratitude to the creators they love. Video gifts let viewers send creators virtual gifts and coins. 4. Collaborate with a creator. The latest Sprout Social Index shows that 33% of Gen Z and 28% of millennials value brand, creator content collaborations. TikTok's thriving community of content creators makes it an excellent channel for collaborating with influential people with highly engaged communities. The key is to collaborate with the right creators who can authentically position your brand to their audience, as creator-made branded content has 83% higher engagement rates. TikTok has some eligibility requirements for the creator marketplace, so only select creators can join. This assures marketers that creators they partner with are some of TikTok's top influencers. 5. Try affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing programs, creators and other businesses can promote and sell another company's products or services for a commission. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you need to generate sales online. Focus on promoting products that best align with your target audience. Create engaging videos that present affiliate products, showcasing the value and why you recommend purchasing them. Invite TikTokers who align with your brand values and target audience to participate. 6. Grow and sell TikTok accounts. Organically growing a TikTok account could take months. However, you can buy an established account to get an instant boost of followers. To successfully make money selling TikTok accounts, creators should focus on niche topics that can be sustained by the buyer. This will make it easier for the buyer to continue posting similar content and maintain follower engagement. Similar to creator collaborations, these campaigns allow brands to pay content creators to promote their products in organic posts. 8. Create a Patreon account. A Patreon account lets creators generate revenue from fans through memberships that allow exclusive access to content. Use TikTok to promote membership sign-ups. 9. Sell your products and merchandise. Turn original artwork, quotes or your brand's logo into merch and promote it on TikTok. Feature your existing products in tutorials or showcase your product alongside a trend. Listen to your audience if you are unsure what to sell. Create polls or ask them directly to learn what they might buy. 10. Set up a TikTok shop. TikTok partnered with Shopify to launch the TikTok shopping feature. Brands and creators can become official TikTok merchants and sell directly in the app. By creating a TikTok shop, you can showcase products on in-feed videos, lives and product showcase tabs. 11. Offer exclusive content on TikTok. TikTok just launched a new monetization feature in June of 2023 called TikTok Series. This new feature is a way to create exclusive content that lives behind a paywall. They must have at least 1,000 views in the last 30 days. Creators who have less than 10,000 followers may still be eligible if they can provide a link to premium content they've successfully sold on other platforms. Your series can include up to 80 videos total, each up to 20 minutes long. This can be a great way to provide valuable educational content to your audience for a one-time fee. 12. Provide virtual gifts. Another monetization feature is virtual gifts on your videos. People who really enjoy your content can send you virtual gifts as a token of their appreciation, which can then be converted into actual money. 13. Host live events or workshops. TikTok Live is another great way to make money. Similar to virtual video gifts, users can also send live gifts. The little gift box icon will appear at the bottom of a live video for users to tap and buy different gifts. Several TikTok creators have shared how live streaming can be used to make money. 14. Offer personalized shoutouts. If you have a large following, TikTokers who want to grow their accounts may be willing to pay for personalized shoutouts. Pick a price point and sell shoutouts as yet another way to make money. 15. Sell digital products. You can create a shop with TikTok and link to your digital products from there, making it easy to make a sale. Learn more about TikTok for business. These strategies can elevate your TikTok game and put you on a clear path to making money on the app. Learn how to get more TikTok followers so you can increase your earning potential even more. How to make money on TikTok FAQ.